go, bro. Don't crash now. That's this, you jerk.
Why are you recording?
I'm just recording the outside because it's fun, bro.
No, it's not.
It is. What kind of music is that?
It's my kind of music.
Alright, let's see. Why? CM Punk should have came out to that song right there. It would have went way better. What?
Probably would have won.
Yeah, instead of his personality nonsense.
CM Punk's old, though.
It's 38.
That's old. I want to see that fight, Michael Bisping and Dan Henderson. Is that today?
No.
When is that one?
I don't know. Well, the mail's pretty coming in. Good.
I want to see it. So, like, he made the fucking, his logo be getting knocked out.
Yeah, you saw it. I told you. I told you.
So I want to get my revenge and put this old man in his grave. Because Dan's all like, I'm going to retire after this.
Yeah, that's his last fight. Too bad they're going to a party. Subway.
Stop recording.
Why? It's not recording you. Why do you want? Look at all these trailers right here. Can you even park like this? Watch out with this car. Never mind. Watch out with this truck. People are driving crazy right now. Why? It's not recording you though, bro. Get out of here. Why are you hot?